Probiotic integration in diarrheal management. A digital campaign analysis using the Hidoc platform. Diarrhea continues to impact millions worldwide. This study explores how probiotic education delivered digitally can improve clinical understanding. Diarrhea remains a major global health burden, especially among children worldwide. Probiotics help restore gut balance and reduce diarrhea severity. The aim was to strengthen probiotic knowledge among healthcare professionals. The digital campaign achieved impressive nationwide reach and engagement. Engagement rates were strong across both trained and new HCP segments. Urban regions showed the highest levels of digital participation. Pediatricians and general physicians showed the strongest interest. Future efforts should tailor content and expand digital accessibility. Digital learning continues to empower HCPs and enhance patient outcomes.